Usage of Cryopiece set for human sperm cryopreservation. Introduction of Cryopiece set. The Cryopiece set, which is produced by Qiuping Medical Devices Co. Limited, is composed of one dish and one cryopiece. Thanks to smart design and sophisticated technology, the thickness of the cryopiece is perfectly fit the depth of the groove of the dish. Therefore, the user experience is excellent while freezing single sperm. Human single sperm cryopreservation, freezing. Please prepare sperm samples, medium and consumable items on the operating table in an orderly way before freezing operation. Prepare the dish as shown. PVP is used to rinse the ICSI injection needle, and 3 long droplets are used to place the sperm sample which will be frozen. According to the protocol, prepare 5 to 10 microliters of sperm cryoprotectant in a 1:1 ratio. Use a 2.5 microliter pipette to take 0.5 microliters of cryoprotectant and make a round drop-shaped cryogen in the center of the cryopiece. After adding the processed sperm sample to the long droplets, transfer the dish to the microscopic operating system. The ICSI injection needle can move in the dish without obstacles, which is an excellent experience for the operator. Under the 200-time operating field, the ICSI injection needle is used to transfer the sperm from sample drops to 0.5 microliters of cryoprotectant droplets on the center of the cryopiece, depending on the total amount of sperm that can be frozen in the sample, as well as the wife's ovarian reserve. The number of sperm loaded on each cryopiece is determined comprehensively, generally 5 to 10. After sperm loading, take out the cryopiece from the dish and remove the mineral oil on the sterile filter paper. At this time, the operator can further feel the exquisite selection of materials and the smooth oil removal experience. After oil removing, place the cryopiece into the vial which has been marked with patient information and tighten the cap of the vial. Place the vial on the stage of the intelligent freezing operation instrument and select the cryopiece program for cooling. The vial will be immersed in liquid nitrogen when the program is finished. In the ultra-low temperature environment of liquid nitrogen, fix the vial on the cane marked with the patient information. Transfer the cane to the liquid nitrogen tank for long-term storage under double check. Human single sperm cryopreservation, thawing. As shown in the figure, prepare ICSI dish using the dish in the Cryopiece set. Also, you can prepare the ICSI dish according to the way that you are used to. In addition, prepare a 60 mm Petri dish and add 10 ml mineral oil for later thawing. Transfer the ICSI dish and the thawing dish to a 37 degrees Celsius incubator. Preheat for 30 minutes before using. 30 minutes later, take out the vial which to be thawed from the liquid nitrogen tank and transfer it to foam box under double check. After removing the cryopiece from the vial, make it stay in the air for 1 second and insert it into the 37 degrees Celsius mineral oil in the thawing dish. After about 5 seconds, the cryoprotectant droplet will dissolve completely, and then transfer the cryopiece from the thawing dish into the groove of the ICSI dish for ICSI procedure. After installing the micro-manipulation pipette, observe and recover the thawed sperm for ICSI. Human rare sperm cryopreservation, using cryopiece. In addition to human single sperm cryopreservation, cryopiece can also be used for human rare sperm freezing. In fact, all the semen and sperm that are planned to be inseminated by ICSI after thawing can be frozen with cryopiece. According to the instructions, mix the semen or sperm sample with the cryoprotectant and load it on cryopiece. 5 to 10 microliters each carrier. After inserting the cryopiece into the vial, place the vial on the stage of the intelligent freezing operation instrument and select the cryopiece program for cooling. The vial will be immersed in liquid nitrogen when the program is finished. When thawing, remove the cryopiece from the vial. Make it stay in the air for 1 to 2 seconds and insert it into the 37 degrees Celsius mineral oil in the thawing dish. After about 10 seconds, the thawing is completed. Then transfer the cryopiece from the thawing dish into the groove of the ICSI dish for ICSI procedure. Usage of the Intelligent Freezing Operation Instrument. Peng Intelligent Freezing Operation Instrument can be used to cool various carriers, such as cryopiece, cryovial, and straw. Peng Intelligent Freezing Operation Instrument is composed of 3 parts: host, liquid nitrogen box, and box cover. The lifting screw of the host is connected with an objective table, which can easily place various carriers, such as cryopiece, cryovial, and straw. The 0 point of the scale on the host is defined as the top of the liquid nitrogen box. That is, the liquid nitrogen surface when the liquid nitrogen box is filled with liquid nitrogen is 0 point. Above 0 is positive, below 0 is negative. The main interface of the operation instrument can choose cryopiece, cryovial, and straw to set the freezing program for cooling, and the operator can also set the freezing program as needed. The manual operation area is set with function keys such as up, down, reset, and 0 setting. Enter the parameter settings submenu in the upper right corner. You can set and modify the freezing program of different cryopreservation carriers. It should be particularly pointed out that in addition to allowing the cryopiece to obtain more stable and reliable results when freezing human rare or single sperm, the liquid nitrogen vapor inside the liquid nitrogen box cover creates a unique temperature gradient. So the performance is also excellent when we use it for cryovial and straw cooling.